Good morning, everybody. My name's Jason Fox. I'm the Senior Technical Evangelist at the FIWARE Foundation, and I want to talk to you today about our upcoming Global Summit, which is taking place in Rabat in Morocco. As part of my job, I'm here to deal with your senior developers, your CTOs, your software developers. We're here to try and encourage you to create working systems based on context data. In that respect, we have two technical tracks. We have the track which is mainly for the developer side. There's a track which is more for the business-oriented senior developer or CTO. We've got robotics, we've got data processing, we've got AI, we've got all sorts of things which are going to be worthwhile to do, and you want to understand how to do the architectures properly. As part of the FIWARE Summit, we are looking at running a lot of practical hands-on sessions. So I encourage you all to come to Morocco, 22nd, 23rd of May, and I'll see you there along with the rest of the FIWARE community.